Next time you make chicken, try this easy and delicious recipe. Start by cutting a chicken breast. Cut it into thin strips, then into small cubes, and set aside. Now, grate 2 medium potatoes with the largest holes on the grater. It should look like this. Then, in a medium bowl, add all these grated potatoes. Also add the chicken cubes, a whole egg, 1 medium onion chopped into small cubes. Then season everything with 1½ teaspoons of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and mix everything very well until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right mix. Now cut 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Cut into strips, then into cubes. It should look like this. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom. And when this oil is hot, add portions of the mixture we prepared, shaping them into fritters. Then, on each of them, add 1 of the cheese cubes we cut earlier. Top the cheese with more of the mixture and fry until golden brown on both sides, turning occasionally as I'm doing to prevent the fritters from becoming soggy. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right point. Remove from the skillet and soak up the excess oil onto a plate lined with paper towels. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve with a dip of your choice and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.